Nice squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and of course we are back with another video for your head top, another banger for your melon boy. What's good? Today, as you guys can see, I am very excited because we have a huge package, very big package, bro. Pause. I don't know the last time I got something sent this big, man. This box is absolutely huge. I'm excited to open this up, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. Listen, if you guys are new to my channel, what's wrong with y'all if you're not subscribing right now? You feel me? No, let me chill. Let me get the energy down just a little bit. I ain't trying to hurt nobody. But subscribe to the channel, guys. Look, man, we on the road to 50K. 100 was the goal. Let's just hit 50 first, okay? Let's just hit 50 first and go about our way. Subscribe button is down below, but man, like I said, guys, I'm super excited to open this. This has been like here for a while. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This package was here for a little bit. Doing like the traveling and everything, the ups and downs, has been very hard for me to unbox this. And I'm also going to unbox a few other things as well. A lot of this stuff I have been anticipated to open up. So without further ado, man, I guess let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna put this big box down because it's something first I wanted to unbox real quick. Just 1 second. I don't know if you want to call this an unboxing or unbagging, because it's like a bag. I don't even need like a box cut or nothing to open it up. Anyways, man, huge shout out to my dog Tony D2 Wild. Okay, so Tony, if you don't know, he has a clothing line called Sample IND, him and Bull, and it's basically a clothing line that's very dope. It has nothing to do with like merch, anything like that. It's his own separate entity. It's his own separate brand. Now, I do have a full website and an Instagram, so I'm gonna link the website down below. You guys can head over to Sample IND if you like whatever they send me over. Now, quick story. Tony was like up at like 3 a.m. FaceTiming random people, and like he FaceTimed me, and I missed the call, but I called him back like a little bit later, and we were just chopping it on a FaceTime or on a live. Yeah, like he had like his Instagram live connected to his FaceTime. I don't know, it's rich people stuff. I don't even know how he did it. I ain't even asked. We was talking, and I was just like, yo, like, what's up with that sample? You know what I'm saying? When you gonna run that? And Tony's always show love, man. He even threw me a pair of the Sauconys that he created a while back in my size 12 for the love, man. So I knew, you know, sooner or later he was gonna send me out some samples. So without further ado, let's open it up because I'm excited to see what it is, and I really hope it's a hoodie because it's getting cold out. All right, man, let's see what we got. Okay, is this a note? Is this a note? Is this a note? Tony, did you write me a note? Okay, it's not a note at all. Let's open this up and see what we got. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the shorts first. Yo, why am I struggling, man? I've been hitting the gym. Why am I struggling? All right, we got the bag open, and these are some track pants. Nice, bro. Not gonna lie, these are nice. All white track pants. The zippers on the bottom, right? And it's nice, very swish-wash material right here. It does have the elastic bottom, so whatever sneakers you rocking, it makes them fire. Has Sample Industries on the side. Look, I'm not gonna hold you, bro. I don't know if you or Bull was in charge of creating this design, bro, but this is fire, bro. I like this a lot. It is my size, and I like the vibe, man. Very clean, very clean. On to the next package. It's the shirt that goes with it, and I'm excited for this, and I'm gonna tell you why. All right, guys, so here is the shirt that comes with it, and it's almost like the same branding. I like this a lot. I really like this whole design in black that it has going across. It kind of reminds me of those old Washington Bullets jerseys, how you had like the bullets going around that side like that, you know what I'm saying? I really appreciate it. Once again, guys, if any of you guys are interested in anything over at Sample IND, the link will be down below. This is fire, man. All over set. I appreciate it, man. That's love right there. All right, it's a lot harder to do with a bigger box. Next up, we have this huge box that you guys are, you know, that you've been waiting for. Yes, I not clickbaited you guys. It was in the video title, it was in the thumbnail, and now we're gonna get straight into it. Let's see what we got, man. Huge shout out to Champion once again for sending this over. I have been, you know, wondering about a lot of these Champion sneakers, and I'm excited to see which ones they sent me. Okay, oh my good. I see three, you know what I'm saying? I see 3 pairs. Is this 3 pair of shoes? Bro, the Champion sent me 3 pair of shoes, man. Y'all really sent me 3 pair of shoes? Wow, bro. Like, I don't even know what to say right now. Champion, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all. This first pair here is, of course, my size 12. It's in University Oxford Gray. So let's see what they sent over first. Does it have like a name of it? No, it doesn't. It doesn't have a name on the box. So we're just gonna get straight into it. It does have a card though, you know what I'm saying? It does have a card. It says, hi, a champion never goes out of style. We can't wait to see how you style newest fall drops. Thank you guys so much, man. That's right. So these sneakers that you're seeing now is a part of the new fall drop that Champion is starting. Any of you guys are liking anything that comes out of this package, then head over to Champion. Of course, I will link them down below as well, so you guys can head over there and see if you like anything that I'm unboxing, or if you see anything for yourself that I did not get a chance to get. With that being said, like I said, this first pair is in that Oxford gray, and let's see what it looks like. Oh, these are the slip joints. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, hold up. The slippers, man. The slippers. I like that because I don't own a pair of house shoes. I don't know if it's like mandatory to own a pair of house shoes, but I don't own a pair of house shoes. I don't know if Champion knew I didn't own a pair of house shoes, but it's so fire. What makes these so fire, just like the Champion sweats, it has the drawstring right here on the top to tie it a little bit higher. And more importantly, the material, bro. Hold on. If you can see like the koala bear material right here on that inside with that size 12, that koala bear material right here. Listen, I'm not gonna hold you, bro. I'm gonna be comfortable late nights. I'm not gonna lie. And it has hard bottoms. Let me tell you why this is important. Hard bottoms when it comes to house shoes are important because we all know when you used to rock them house shoes outside and used to be scraping the ground, it's a hole in them, right? It's a hole in them next day or over a week. They actually put an outer sole on the house shoes so the durability is way longer. That was a dope idea. I never even thought of that before. We got the house shoes up first, man. I will definitely be tiptoeing on some marble floors with these joints right here. You see the huge Champion logos on the front and also on the side of the shoe as well. Just overall, man, love, bro. Thank y'all so much. I needed a pair of house shoes, like seriously. Next up, we do have a sneaker. Well, I think it's a sneaker. This is, yes, okay, I know this one. This is the Rally Lockdown, size 12 in the olive and black colorway. Now, I know and I like the Rally Lockdown. It's one of the most popular silhouettes, so you definitely gonna know this one when you see it. Trust me, it's always at the mall, and I like this colorway. Woo! Here you have that olive and orange colorway in the Champion Rally Lockdown. Now, this sneaker is super dope because I like the colorway and I like the design. The overall design is very, very fire, man. It looks like that runner. It definitely has that runner look. It got the mesh up the entire upper, so you know it's breathable. And this is why they call it the Lockdown. It has no lace system. It only has this huge strap right here going across the forefront of the shoe. So whenever you wear these, you slide your feet in and then you just lock your foot down. Like I said, there's no lace system on the shoe. It has the huge Champion logo embroidered right there on the side of the shoe, as well as it has the black on the midsole with the orange stitching going throughout the entire shoe. Now, green is my favorite color. You guys pretty much know that, right? I say it in almost every video I get a pair of green shoes. Going to the outer sole, they have a blue and black outer sole with the Champion logo going directly through the outer sole of the shoe. Definitely my type of sneaker, especially when we're talking about fall vibes. Fall for me is all about being comfortable, okay? I'm talking about sweatpants, baggy sweats, like the whole nine. Hoodie season, like it's a real thing. I mean it, it's real. So when it comes to shoes like the Rally Lockdown, very easy to put on, ain't gotta stress, put my feet in, lock it down, or if I want to switch up with the house shoes, like it's all comfort. You know what I'm saying? It's all comfort. Definitely rocking with these. Let me grab the other pair as well. I want to know you guys' opinions about the first two so far. We still have one more sneaker to go over, but so far so good, man. Y'all doing y'all thing. I'm not gonna lie, these are fire. I like these a lot. I can't wait to throw these on. I'm excited to see what's next in the box. So without further ado, let's get to the next one. Wow, man, 3 sneakers. That still is like crazy. I still can't believe y'all sent me 3 sneakers, which is crazy. Well, the Champion slides wasn't a shoe, but y'all get what I mean. Hey, next up we have the Rally Height Mid in a black and white colorway, size 12 as always. So let's see what this one is looking like. Once again, man, we're going for the fall vibes. And look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on. Here we have the Champion Rally Mid. And this is what I'm talking about, because as you guys seen, I just showed you like the sample clothing that was sent over by Tony. You can easily rock this with that. When it comes to black, white, and red, it's super wearable. It's easy. It's nice. This shoe does have a lace system. That's why you get the difference between the Lockdown and the Rally Mid, is because this one has a lace system and this one doesn't. And it's a little bit shorter. Yeah, this is definitely a mid for sure. It also has different material. You got some leather on the back heel part of the sneaker. Once again, you got a lace system here. It does have that huge Champion logo right over the top. And even though this strap over the top does not have like a Velcro attached to it, it's still made to help your foot be locked down on the bottom half of the sneaker. Has that elastic band going around the top of the sneaker. The lace system is not a regular lace system. It's kind of like crisscross curved all the way up, and like you get the lace holes on the side of the shoe as well. The outer sole is a little bit different. You see these triangular type looks on the outer sole. You see the huge C in blue for the Champion logo, and of course you get the Champion spelled out on the outer sole of the shoe. Definitely fire. Let me grab the other shoe out of the box. Man, listen, I'm not gonna hold you, Champion. If you out here doing it like this, you might have to sign me up for part 2. I'm not gonna lie. I might need some more heat because I can't wait to throw these on. Y'all already know, man. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, Sniper Jones is right there. I will be rocking these. I'm throwing these on ASAP. Look forward to it. Definitely when it comes to being cozy, when it comes to fitting, that's my thing. I like being comfortable. These shoes look super, super comfortable, so I'm very much looking forward to rocking these. Man, Champion is showing that love today, but make sure y'all head over to Champion right now. Check out some of these shoes if y'all like it. I'm pretty sure the price point is pretty good for all of these sneakers. Champion's always been great with price points, so you don't really have to worry about paying too much. I appreciate you guys for watching as always, man. It is your boy Sniper Jones. Until next time, you already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. And of course, you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.